It's a busy day for the stock market. Those inflation numbers are coming out with a PPI index, and earnings are coming from the big banks. We have pro trader Justin Burkholder of Verified Investing standing by. The S&P broke above 5,600 this week. What do you think is ahead for the stock market?
Yeah, Angela, thanks for having me on the show again. Unbelievable move to the upside here. Relentless move to the upside on the S&P 500. And you may have seen some analysts calling 6,100 on the S&P 500 or the SPX. This is the SPY or the S&P 500 ETF. So the numbers correlate. So 610 is what I'm looking for on the S&P before, as an exhaustive move to the top, and then potentially a rollover from there, potentially down to the previous highs here, which would correlate almost perfectly with the bottom of this parallel and the previous all-time highs here in 2021.
How about that huge rally in Tesla? Is it time for that stock to come down?
And we've bounced about 100% from $140 to around $270. We are short here in the service, Verified Investing, right in this area. So we're slightly out of the money, but we're looking for a move lower here to about 230, 225 on Tesla. And you can see that it's already starting to come in. You had this major pivot high here, this pivot high, it got exhausted after the 100% move. You have a time count here on the daily, and now we're starting to come in. This is why it's so important to understand technical analysis, these things that I showed you here from the bounce, and then also on the pullback.
Bank earnings are rolling into the market today. Any trades on the big banks?
I'll be looking to short JP Morgan as it is overdone, up about 105% from the 2022 lows. It probably needs some time to cool off. Anytime you see all of this green on a stock, you really should be looking not necessarily to buy, but more likely to be shorting a stock that is so overdone.
Justin, thanks for being on our show today and helping us out.
Thanks for having me. I'll see you soon.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.